Okay, so I've done it. So basically, very simple. Bolt was already there. Bolt there. Bolt there. And then there was one annoying one here. I gave it a little hoover down there as well to see what the floor was like. Actually looks very good, the floor, doesn't it? Let's have a zoom in. Yep, looks good, baby. Okay. Oh yeah, but just so you know, on the other sides, I did it here. So, see where we are. Right hand drive vehicle. And then going round to the other side. It was underneath, behind there. Can you see that? Let's zoom out. In behind there is a bolt. So yeah, really easy. So pleased with it. It went really well. And gonna put the cushion back in now and go.